Hello friends, how are you? We will talking about Primexbt platform. You can open free account on this platform. We will overview today. You can see here trade global markets. We can see learn more. How does leverage work? We can see here leverage is a key feature of Prime XBT trading platform and can be a powerful tool for a trader. You can use it to take advantage of comparatively small price movements, gear your portfolio for greater position size, and to make your capital grow faster. Leverage works by using a deposit known as margin to provide you with increased exposure. Essentially, you're putting down a fraction of the full value of your trade, and primary activity is providing you the rest. Our products allow traders to gain exposure to major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and other without tying up lot of capital. Prime XBT is an advanced award-winning margin trading platform, offering a wide variety of Bitcoin-based CFDs with added leverage and both long and short positions on stock indices, commodities, forex, and products allow traders to access a vast array of trading instruments and build a diverse trading portfolio without tying up lots of capital. BTC USD traded example. You can see here and you get more information after these paragraphs and this information about Prime XBT. Next video we will talking about how to sign up free on this platform. Okay, goodbye.